Yeah, hello everyone. How are you today? My name is Adetokunbo Mine from the Genius FS. I'm here again to show you another entry to prove that the sniper mobile strategy is working like a magic, like a robot. Now, I'm going to show you this earlier entry before I gave you an update. Here is our entry just now, and then when we realize a good confirmation has shown up from this area, our RSI line, the one in blue, already touched overbought level 71, 75 and 83. That's our overbought level. Then we realize that also our RSI line has passed Bollinger Band at the overbought level here. So we decided to wait for a fractal to show for a good confirmation. Once a fractal shows, we took our entry from here. Our market continues to go in our direction. Here is our target. I'm going to update you on this entry. We are expecting market to drop down. As far as I'm concerned, this entry is a success. As you can see, it keeps increasing. First and foremost, first confirmation is RSI line, the one in blue, pass Bollinger Band, touch overbought level around this place. Then we wait for fractals to show. Once a fractal shows and confirmed, because 3 candles confirm a fractal, as far as I'm concerned, let me zoom it. 3 candles confirm a fractal. This is a 1, this is a 2, then another one show. Look at it, 1, 2 and 3. Then we took our entry immediately from that place. Our market continues to go in our vivo. As you can see, it keeps increasing. I'm going to show you the update over this entry. I'm going to show you. Hello everyone. Yeah, it's me again, your able man Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. Like I said this morning, that I'm going to update you on this entry using the sniper mobile strategy. As you can see, earlier this morning we entered this position right from here when we realize that our criteria has been met. RSI has already touched oversold and touched the upper band of that Bollinger Band. Around this place, we took a trade after we realized that there is a fractal here. So we took the trade. Our market continues to go in our direction. Now here we are. This is our entry. This is our take profit. A little bit to eat our take profit. As I'm telling you, as I told you earlier and as I'm telling you now, the sniper mobile strategy will change your financial status, whether you believe it or not. This is a world changing strategy that everybody will very knows about it later. I'm telling you this. That is why we decided that whosoever needed this strategy should contact me on my WhatsApp. I will be the one to answer you. The Genius FS is real. VIP Signal Group is real. Thanks for listening. God bless you.